In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money into Bitget from other exchanges and bank accounts. If you don't have a Bitget account, check the video description for a link. New Bitget users can get a welcome bonus of up to $6,200. Just enter your email or phone number and create a password. I agree to the terms. Click Create Account to get a 6,200 USDT welcome bonus. After creating your Bitget account, download the app and log in. Here's the main interface. You can tap Deposit at the top or in the Wallet section. If you already have crypto on other exchanges, deposit it here. If not, use your bank account with the features below. The B2B trading feature lets you buy USDT from merchants or sell it person to person. Sell to them and they'll transfer money to your bank account. Once received, unlock it for them. I'll guide you on B2B deposits first, then crypto later. Click on B2B transactions, where you'll see buy and sell options. To buy, click the Buy section. Avoid ads, choose merchants without them below. Let's use the second person as an example. Click Buy. Now, to deposit USDT, switch to crypto. The minimum deposit is $364. This person only has $7 left, so let's pick another. This one has 4,985 USDT available. Their minimum is $36, so let's enter $40. For payment, they use bank transfer. Click Buy USDT with no fees, then Continue. Here's the bank account info. Transfer the exact amount shown. After you've sent it, click I've paid and upload proof. They'll check and unlock your USD. My limit's too low. I'll pick another buyer below. Send number 2, then this person is 145,315. For the bank, you can add your account. Click Add here, then add payment methods for your country. After that, just click Sell with 0 fee. Wait for them to transfer the correct USD amount you're selling. Once you've received the USD in your account, you can unlock it for them. That's how B2B trading works. Now I'll show you how to deposit from other platforms to Bitget. Similarly, go to the wallet section and click deposit. Click the top button to deposit crypto. Choose which coin you want to deposit. For USDT, click on USDT here. After choosing this network, you'll see two popular options, BP20 and TRC. I'll select B20 Binance Smart Chain. Then you'll see the wallet address. Just copy it or scan the QR code. You can use this to deposit funds from other exchanges too. I'll copy the address now and go to the Bitget exchange to show you how to deposit $10. Watch this. I'll go to the wallet section and click deposit. I'll choose USDT and select one chain. Paste the address here, then choose the network. Remember, we chose BP20 earlier, so select that. The fee is $1. If I deposit $10, you'll only receive 9 USDT because of the fee. After that, you can choose other networks with lower fees. For example, Aptos Stone is 0.3 USDT or Plasma. Check on Bitget exchange if these networks are available before depositing. Now, I'll switch to convert this. There's Plasma here. There's Tron, but no Aptos. So I'll use Plasma. This is Plasma. Remember to delete the previous address. I'll choose Plasma on Bitget. This is the Plasma network address. I'll copy and paste here to withdraw money through Bitget for free. I'll receive the full $10. Now I'll click Route, then Continue. Okay, now I'll enter the OTP. Like this, I've created a successful withdrawal order. You can also click up here to see the deposit history. It's showing now. The transfer is in progress. Here's the $10, money received. Let's reload. Successfully deposited $10 from Bitget to Bitget. Don't forget to click the link below this video to create a Bitget account if you don't have one. New users can get a welcome bonus of up to $6,200. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. I'll answer your queries.